In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated gradient text in Canva. We'll walk through this step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to add eye-catching moving gradient text to any of your Canva designs, whether it's for social media, presentations, or videos. First, open up your Canva design. This can be an existing project or a brand new blank canvas. Once your design is open, look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with options like templates, elements, and so on. In that panel, look for the option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps a lot of its extra tools and integrations that extend what you can do beyond basic text and images. After clicking Apps, a new window or panel will appear, showing a variety of available apps. In the search bar or list, look for an app called Type Gradient. This is the tool we'll use to generate our gradient text. When you see Type Gradient, click on it to open its interface inside Canva. If it doesn't show up immediately, just type Type Gradient into the search field and it should appear. Once Type Gradient is open, click on it again to start using it. You'll now see options to customize your text. This is where you can type in the exact words you want to appear as gradient text, such as your title, a heading, or a short phrase. Take a moment to enter your text, and then explore the different gradient styles and color combinations available. Try changing the colors, direction, and style of the gradient until you find something that fits your design. This explore step is important because it helps you match the look and feel of your text to the rest of your project. When you're happy with how your gradient text looks inside Type Gradient, click on Add to Design. This will insert the gradient text as an element directly onto your Canva canvas. You can now move it around, resize it, and position it just like any other graphic in your design. To turn this gradient text into animated text, select the newly added text element on your canvas. With it selected, look at the top menu bar and click on the Animate button. Canva will show you a range of animation styles. Browse through these